Sahil, will Jay Shah bring back the tri-series and revive ODI cricket? I'll take this from Jamie first. Jamie, because I am of the opinion कि one-day cricket अगर survival हो सकता है उसका, तो tri-series something that you need to reintroduce rather again. What do you think?
Exactly. Something has to be done, and that is the format which is in the ICU. हम साल से कह रहे हैं 2023 वर्ल्ड कप से पहले मैं कह रहा था कि भाई 10 टीमें होंगे, लेकिन 7 उनमें से है वो mid to decent teams है, right? Now, Jay Shah has said a lot of things, but he's not commented on one-day cricket. We've heard comments about Test cricket. We've heard comments about T20 cricket कि हम झंडा गाड़ेंगे. His only comments regarding the one-day game came after India did not beat Australia, right? So I really don't know what to read. Like I said, he has so many things to prioritize. The future of one-day cricket has to be, if not second, it has to be in the top 3, right? Because the one-day World Cup still remains a fan favorite. It remains a player favorite, but is it commercially viable? Is it sustainable? आप सोचो, और इस पे एक बहुत एक गजब शो बन सकता है. 27 वर्ल्ड कप के बाद I've counted about 27 big players are set to leave. 27 across countries. कौन देखेगा इस फॉर्मेट को? As good as a Gill is, as good as a Jaiswal is, as good as Harry Brook is, the format is still relevant because of these 27 names across formats. ये सब जाने वाले हैं 27 के बाद. So you might say अभी तो time है. नहीं, like Sahil said, time नहीं है. It's a crucial time. You have to fix it.
Just because we're talking about one-day cricket, क्या एक ऑप्शन हो सकता है जहां आप फॉर्मेट को थोड़ा छोटा कर दो, probably a 35 or 40 होगा? Can that
you
be
can shorten it. You can shorten it. I say just do away with bilaterals. Keep it for a Champions Trophy every 2 years. Keep it for a World Cup every 4 years. It's not going to impact. इंग्लैंड का हालत देखो. इंग्लैंड ने 5 साल पहले कुछ 40 साल के बाद फाइनली वो ट्रॉफी जीता. जीत के बोला हमें खेलना ही नहीं, right? So big teams are turning their back. New Zealand have turned their back on, so you have to find it relevant just by going to. And देखो one day format ऐसा है कि अगर आप अच्छे भले टेस्ट क्रिकेट टीम हो और अच्छे भले T20 खेलते हो, आप वनडे खेल पाओगे, क्योंकि छोटा फॉर्मेट नहीं है. It's an apt format where your test skills can come through and your bang T20 skills. You don't need to play so many bilaterals. Nothing is more boring than the bilaterals. Maybe you can try 40 overs. You can go back to one ball. You can bring back. क्या था 2004-5 में वो super sub आया था. You can try these gimmicks. हाँ, but the biggest problem is more than these tweaks. You have to reduce the number of bilaterals because that makes the fans thoroughly bored.
एंड ऑब्वियसली अगर 3 या 4 टीमें एक साथ एक सीरीज खेलेगी तो शायद वो और इंटरेस्टिंग बना सकता है. वो कंपटीशन अगर आ जाता है बीच में,
you need competition and you need context. Bilateral cricket apart from rankings has no context, right? इतनी बार कह चुका हूं, अगर 5 मैच की श्रृंखला है और पहले 3 मैच एक टीम जीत गई तो हम क्यों खेलते हैं आखिरी 2? खत्म करो, आगे बढ़ो, राइट? बट यहाँ इट्स ओनली स्पोर्ट. फुटबॉल में ऐसा नहीं है, एनबीए में ऐसा नहीं है, बेसबॉल में ऐसा नहीं है, हॉकी में ऐसा नहीं है. अगर आप जीत गए तो यू पैक अप द लास्ट 2 मैचेस. भाई यहाँ पे नहीं, हम तो खेलेंगे 5 मैच. भाई nothing painful than watching 5-0 some team being thrashed, man. So ICC and Jay Shah have to address these things.